per day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service, then please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq100 trading in the red ever so slightly. We're pretty much flat actually. We went down and touched the 50-day EMA, which I think is a significant development during today's trading session. I think that right now it offers a fantastic buying opportunity. You can put your stop loss just below that 0.23 fib area and go and target that 0.61 fib area. The 0.5 fib area, which is currently sitting at around 13,900. If I look at the Nasdaq100 from a fundamental perspective, it's as simple as this. We have a few obstacles ahead of us, and that's the Jackson Hole. Okay, the Fed is expected to come out, and Jerome Powell is going to be hawkish. Let's face it; they need to combat inflation, and by doing that, they need to become hawkish. So I think the market has already priced that in with yesterday's trading session. Of course, yesterday was the worst trading session that we've had dating back to June 16th. So I think the market is starting to price in that the Fed's going to be very hawkish when they come out at Jackson Hole. But there's many bullish catalysts out there as well. The first being is that, this massive rally that we've had from June 16th up until the highs last week on the 16th of August, we've now retraced 50% of our losses, and history would tell us that, historically, if that happens, then that means that the low is in. So that would indicate that on June 16th, the low is in here for the Nasdaq 100 down at 11,000. Could we go a bit lower? Absolutely. There's always that possibility. But at the 50-day EMA here, I think it's a fantastic opportunity to buy. As well as that, I mentioned it during yesterday's video that we are currently trading in a midterm election year, okay? And there's been 20 of these years dating back to 1939, which was the start of World War II. And all 20 years have ended in positive territory when you trade from Q3 going into Q2 the following year. So let's just take that for an example this year. That would mean from the October 1st, which is the beginning of Q3, all the way through to Q2 next year, which is the 1st of June. Historically speaking, all 20 mid-election years dating back to 1939 have finished in positive territory, and 6 of those 20 years the market has ended up 20% higher. So am I saying that the market's going to, rally 20% from October 1st, 2022 up until 1st of June 2023? No, that's not what I am saying. But what I am saying is that historically speaking, every single mid-election term year dating back to 1939 has finished in positive territory from the beginning of Q3 going into the following year, Q2. So I'm very bullish here at this moment in time. Sure, we've had a little correction, but this is something I've expected. I said we needed to come down to this 50-60 area on the RSI. So I'm buying stocks here. I'm really bullish.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.